Friday, July 1, 2022. We're going to run through some stocks here and look at what happened today. We're going to start with Amazon. We see here the previous day had a 2 to the downside, and today's ended up finishing in the upside, a 2 to the upside. So we're looking at a possible 2-2 reversal to the upside. Apple, same thing. We had a 2 to the downside yesterday, and we pivoted back up and finished a 2 to the upside, signaling again a possible reversal to the upside, a strat reversal. Excuse me. Tesla, same thing, 2 to the upside, but kind of skittish. It's a doji, so there was people going up, going out, going long, going short, in and out, in and out, in and out. So we'll keep an eye on that one. We'll just keep an eye on that one, see what happens. But we do have an actionable signal here. A 2 to the upside could be a rev strat going up. Netflix, same thing. You're starting to see this pattern again. All these major tech stocks are doing the same thing almost. So we had the 2 to the down, and then a pop, a 2 just a little bit to the upside on today's candle, and what we're going to see is a possible rev strat reversal to the upside. Keep an eye on it. And where are we? We're going to be looking at Facebook or Meta. Well, what can you say about that? It is just getting beat up. Finished 2 to the downside, not a pretty day. Broke up a little bit at the beginning, went down, and then kind of worked its way back up a little bit towards the end of the day, but still a 2 to the downside. Downward trend overall. You could see it. The VWAP yellow and the blue, the EMA 8, it crossed it here, so it's in a downfall right now. But who knows? Could snap out of it if we get another day. Maybe a 2 to the upside. It might have a little reversal action there as well. But don't hold your breath. This is Meta. So overall stock market sluggish. Saw a little bit of to the upside. This is Spider. We saw again a 2-2 possible reversal here. We'll see what happens when the market opens again. Barely broke up to the upside, so not too much confidence there that this is going to be actually a reversal. The VWAP and the 8 EMA 8 are they're just touching each other. Hadn't crossed. So we'll see. We'll just keep an eye on what happens this next coming week in trading, and best of luck to you guys. Take these days that we have before us, enjoy yourself, relax, and study some stocks. Get your trade set, get your game plan and everything ready for when the market opens again. All right, have a great weekend.